The Society for Community Mobilization for Sustainable Development, Mobilization New Delhi, ringkat ke Jing Snokti ke Central Agricultural University Imphal ke lepelong ye ke National Seminar Balai Sngi, ha ke arpu artarik hadu arpu sautarik Jemang ha College of Postgraduate Studies in Agricultural Sciences Umiam. Kapang Iamir Jingmut hagani ke seminar kalong, kalawai kerep keriang, Khubor, ban kentiu ban penek syakalawai berjengai, futuristic agriculture, technology, sustainability and beyond. Kajing Iamir Jingmut bat jing peliu jing start kerep keriang, kinlong kumnu ban pendap bami ki kat saus 4 million ngut ki syentur jeng ki pat nong syong kari India. Kini kajing don kambam jeng ki pat kadai ban kersiu tiak ban penklanya kerep keriang de ki but start jeng kani kejup. Haka jingkren play kini ke National Seminar, u Dr. Sanjay Kumar, Chairman Agricultural Scientist Recruitment Board, New Delhi, kumukongsan ulaong, ke jingdan kam jong keri India mentah kelong ban penek bat ban kentiu kerep keriang ban penbiang jingban ye ki kat saus 4 million ngut ki pat nong syong. Ulapin ken mau bekeri India kalat na kejing kerduk bam wat lada keri barok kawai kalamat ya kelam COVID-19 kabala singit ya karep keriang bat keki ke kamai jeng ki pat ba. Henry dan bayap tangan na kejing kerduk bam. Ngilamat iki thama ki pat ba kim kerduk bam. Lakat taru ulaong keri kenang roy ki beriu kinang bun dan kamban penkre ya keni da kaba penjanai bat kentiu karep keriang. Syah kini ke National Seminar lawan ban shiminta da ki scientist ki Stad kerep keriang ki nong rep papau khmat na keling keri India bat da kino hikai bagi Samla pulih ha ki skul ba kerep keriang. Dr. Sanjay Kumar belakentui ki Samla bantur shi ki kamrep ban penbha ki rukam khai pateng bat kadi kathet ye ki marep. Ki Samla haduk mentau loong kimpat dashlan bantur sya kerep keriang. Henry day kini kekam ke bawan rabun ki jing mentoi bagi jing yonong. Ulong ru kari India kelapen krek ban hiar sya ubenai ban tur sya jan kasngi. Ya kini kijing temu melak ban pen urlong lada ki beriu ki im ha kijing tangan bat jing teli ki kepo. Ulam maham ru da keboong, wak lada kari India kala pahu ba menta, dang don bun million ngut ki beriu ki bedang im syiteng kepo. Ulong ru bun ba ki pat ba kari India wat la ki balabit labiang ke yok kokot ki im ha ka vitamin D deficiency. Ula kentui ke Stad ki scientist ki noikai ki Samla puli bantur syakmat ban penroy bat kentiu kerep keriang ban penbiang ba mi ki pat ba jong kani kari.
Round of applause. The light, the teacher and the thought are the two lamps. The light they emit is one. The knowledge and practice are also the two lamps that they emit. Light is one. In the meantime, just I will take the advantage of the time. As I said, sometimes picture is bigger than the portrait, but share few of his achievements along with our participants. Also,
our agriculture, I think it's no more a merely production system. You will all agree or not? I think now we have moved from mere production system to value addition. We have moved towards entrepreneurship development. And today we mark agriculture as a mark of national prosperity, which several of our speakers have mentioned. And since our agriculture is safe now, you remember in 1950s when we were hardly producing 50 million ton of food grains, and today Dr. was mentioning 332 million tons of food grains, feeding 1.4 billion of people. I think not an easy task. And that is the reason probably today we are thinking of establishing our satellite observatory. Today we are thinking of landing on the moon. Today we are thinking of taking picture of the sun. I think, and that center of that had been the agriculture. Probably at times we don't realize how important work we all are doing. So I think that's what agriculture is all about. When we say agriculture and national prosperity, today you saw this time when the war took place, again science and technology came in the forefront, which saved our nation and which saved our livelihood. During COVID, our agriculture saved everybody. So science and technology, and particularly agriculture, one cannot deny. But at the same time, we cannot be happy with the current situation. Like we all are aware, the way we are increasing in numbers, like one of our experts mentioned that our genetic gain is hardly 1%. We want to enhance 2.4%, at least by 2050. Time window is very short. And that is need of the hour. If we have to feed 1.7 at least billion people in India by 2050, we have to do that. If you don't work on taking care of the genetic gain, I think how can we achieve our goals? So I think that is one very important component that we feel we should be thinking of. Second issue, probably at times we tend to forget, is about malnutrition. If you, all of us who are sitting in this hall, I bet you go and check your vitamin D levels. You tell me how many of you are near to normal. All of you will be below normal. And here, don't we think that our agriculture system, either through mushroom technology or any some such technology which are enriched with vitamin D, because our habits are not like that we don't take sun bath. Earlier our farmer used to be always taking sun bath. So they never had vitamin D deficiency. Our skin is the natural synthesizer of vitamin D. So our agriculture scientists, they have a challenge to meet malnutrition. So you have crops for biofortification, whether it is for zinc, iron, these are very well defined. But we always have to remember that this malnutrition is also a very important component that we should take care. Dr. Sharmaji raised a very important point on veterinary science. But very important issue about veterinary science is, we are 1.4 billion, and if you add all livestock, poultry together, that is also close to 1.4 billion. They are as good as our population. For us, we have malnutrition program. For us, we have midday meal program. But for our, that 1.4 other half, what we have, we are feed deficient country. I think we need to take care of our feed situation.